Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the airport, runway, and approach type. This sets the navigation reference. Load relevant weather and aircraft weight so performance matches the scenario. Next, open the approach plate and note inbound course, decision altitude, or MDA, and the missed approach. This tells you what to expect and what to do if unstable. Once done, enter the approach into the FMS or set the NAV frequency. Make sure your autopilot and nav radios are aligned before descent. You now configure the avionics and start the descent. Load the star and approach into the FMS, then verify each waypoint and final inbound course. Set the altimeter to current pressure and choose autopilot modes. Engage VNAV for vertical path and LOC/APRA for localizer and glide slope capture if available. Reduce speed gradually and configure flaps as recommended. This stabilizes the aircraft. While descending, continuously cross-check the nav instruments, glide slope needle, and distance to runway so you remain on profile. You fly the final segment by capturing the glide slope and localizer, trimming and flying small corrections to maintain stabilized approach speed and descent rate. At decision altitude or MDA, call the decision, continue visually and land or go missed. If missed, immediately follow the published procedure and retract flaps/climb as required. Once on the ground, apply reverse thrust and brakes, then vacate the runway at a safe taxi speed. If navigation or automation fails, use raw data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.